Hey guys, I'm Props, and today I'm making the first blade from Star Wars The Old Republic. So the first thing you're going to want to do is print out the files that I designed for this. I also have the print settings on my Thingiverse page, so check that out. I then went through and sanded all of the parts, just using some different grits of sandpaper to make sure all the tolerances fit, and then I went through and assembled the whole lightsaber. Just follow this small video to assemble the whole lightsaber. It's pretty simple, just 3 parts. Then I went through and painted the whole lightsaber silver, just brushing on an even coat of that, and then I went through and applied some chipping medium over the whole thing. Alternatively, you could use toothpaste because that works as a good chipping medium, and then I went through and painted the whole hilt black, just making sure to get all of the nooks and crannies, because when I wipe away the black paint, I just want the silver paint on all the edges to show through. And then I went through and used some old brushes that were pretty rough to knock off all of that chipping medium, and then I went through and wrapped the handle in some faux leather, just using super glue to glue it on. You could use contact cement, but I just used super glue because that's what I had, and overall I think this turned out pretty good. I also colored in the button red, and that just added some little detail to that. I really think this little lightsaber is pretty cool. I mean, it's a neat little lightsaber shape, and I'm really happy with how it is. If you guys don't mind supporting me through Patreon so that I can continue to make these videos the quality that they are and make longer and bigger builds, be sure to. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind liking and subscribing, please do. Let me know what things you guys want me to build and I'll make them. See ya.